I'm going to be showing you how to fix Tinder app not working. So in order to fix the Tinder app not working, the first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. So just scroll down and make sure that you're connected to a good working Wi-Fi. And after you've checked that, just delete the app and go to your app store or your Play Store and search for Tinder and just reinstall the app and try using it again, and that will help you fix the Tinder app. If it's not working either way, then you can try using a web browser. So just go to your web browser and go to tinder.com. Once you're here, just log in, and other steps that include using your phone numbers and your password to log in. After you've done that, that should fix the problem. So in this way, you can successfully fix Tinder app not working. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.